Good afternoon. My name is Sharon Gawangar. I am from 8th standard. I am going to explain you the reproduction in animal. First of all, we will see reproduction comes under the biology. And under biology, there are two parts: botany and zoology. Botany means the study of plants, and zoology means the study of animals. Under that comes the microbiology. Microbiology means the study of microbes. This all the things we will study in the reproduction in animals. First, we will see two types of reproduction. There are two types of reproduction. They are sexual, asexual, and sexual. First of all, we will see asexual. Asexual reproduction means producing of young ones by the single parent, and sexual reproduction means producing of young ones by the two gametes, means the two parents. Asexual reproduction, for example, asexual reproduction consists of either parent or either female, either male or either female gametes. Example, amoeba. Amoeba comes under the binary fusion, means this is amoeba parent cell. After that, this divide into the amoeba divide into the nucleus. Then this divide. After that, there are division of nucleus. Then there are division of cytoplasm. Then daughter cell is formed. Another is multiple fusion. Multiple fusion means the plasmodium. Plasmodium, this is a parent cell, and under this there are many of the small cells. These are known as daughter cells. Then comes the budding. Budding means budding consists of hydra. Means this is a hydra. After that, there are some changes in hydra. The daughter cell is coming out. Then daughter cell come into its stage. After that, daughter cell is formed after out of the hydra. This is known as budding. Sexual reproduction. We know that sexual reproduction means producing of young ones by the two parents. Means male or female gametes. Example, hermaphrodite. Hermaphrodite is a earthworm snail which produce two gametes, male or female gametes. Then we will see reproductive pattern. Reproductive pattern means external fertilization and external development. Means, for example, frog, tadpoles. Means the male produce sperms and female produce ova in the surrounding water. After that, the sperm and ova occur into the surrounding water, and the new young ones is formed. Zygote is formed, means offspring. Then this is the example of frog. Then internal fertilization and external development. For example, hen. The parent form male sperms are passed from a male to the female body. The fertilization takes place in the female body, and the zygote is formed. The zygote is formed in the female body. After that, female eat food and gives a strength to that zygote. After that, the egg is laid, and the development takes place externally. Internal fertilization and internal development means fertilization means, for example, male and female. The male sperms passes through the female through the vagina, and the zygote is formed in the womb, and fertilization takes place. Then reproductive system. You can see here I have this male reproductive system. uh, these are key cars, and this is known as pennies. This is unit. This bladder. Bladder consists of a urine and the waste which we eat, which we store into the stomach. This is stored. The urine is stored in the bladder, and this sperm when and here it is testes. It is here it is testes. Testes has many of the nerves, and these nerves are connected to the brain. Then this is bowel. When we eat the food, then our waste is passed through this bowel. Then uh, when the penis get erect, the sperm comes from the urethra, uh, and urethra. You can see here the diagram of a sperm. You can see here the diagram of a sperm. Here it is fructose, and here are many of the cells. These are known as mitochondria. Mitochondria. This is the head of the sperm. This is a tail. This is a head, and this is a middle piece. These sperms come from the urethra when the penis get erect, and this fructose helps to swim the sperm and come out. At the time of the reproduction, penis get erect and the sperms come out from the urethra, and the reproduction takes place. In male reproductive system, there are vast difference from where the sperms come to the urethra, and it floats with the help of fructose. And if the male reproduction is weak and not then seminal vesicle and the prostate are the two hormones which gives their energy to the sperms to swim and come out from the urethra and penis. Understand the female reproductive system. Here I have a female reproductive system. This is bowel. This is urinary bladder. Then this is vagina. At the time of and female consists here you can see that in female reproduction system there are two types of two ovaries. These ovaries alternately produce eggs by the months. Means at 1 month this egg will produce one egg. After second month this ovary will produce one egg. Like this they produce eggs alternately. Then these eggs come through the oviduct. There are very small hairs here. There are very small hairs which helps the eggs to come out to the oviduct, and they are known as villi. They are known as villi. Then when how does the fertilization take place? When the male sperm comes to the vagina, it enters through the vagina and enters the egg to produce the young ones. Then here is the endometric ball which holds the egg, which holds the zygote there, and helps the woman to form a new offspring. Okay. Then if this produces one egg and this also produces egg and the sperm enter, and if the two sperms enter in only a one egg, then there will be twins which will be identical. And if two spring enter the vagina and one sperm enter this egg and one sperm enter this egg, there will also two twins, but they will be not identically. And if four sperms enter the through vagina, and two sperm enter to this and two sperm enter to this. There will be quadruplets, but the two will identical and two will and other two will identical, but not all four will be identical. Uh, Sometimes when the female's reproduction is not very good or very healthy, if there is some disturbance of the reproduction system is weak, then then this egg falls down and come to the vagina, and there are two hormones called estrogen and progesterone. When the eggs fall down, the here are many of the blood. The blood also comes from the vagina, and now we will understand what is menstrual cycle. Menstrual cycle means after a month, female gets a periods. Means after we are now advanced. Mostly when the female is of 13 years, then after a month, after a month cycle means when the ova is waiting for the sperm and sperm doesn't enters the vagina, and all the waste comes out, including the ova, and all the waste come out from through the vagina. These are also known as periods. The blood also flow through the estrogen and progesterone to hormones. Then to hen lay egg. एक minute. Okay. Now I will say that if the reproduction system of female is weak, then they are not capable to handle the zygote. The endometric is weak, the endometric wall is not capable to hold the zygote. When the zygote falls and this get abort, the baby get abort, then baby doesn't store, the baby doesn't get the baby doesn't come holds there. That's why the parents go to the doctor, and many of the parents there is also one process through which the baby can if sperm enter the vagina and the ovum, and they are not getting fertilized and zygote is not forming, then parents do the process of IVF. IVF means in vitro fertilization. This is a process through which the doctors there are test tube baby. Doctors remove the female ova and add the male sperm to it, and then through the help of a tube add this zygote through the vagina and kept there. But these are 99% fail and 1% pass, because it is very difficult and very hard to manage this all thing, as females are very sensitive and they cannot hold this much of pressure and press. Then after this, if IVF is also failed, then parents try to surrogacy. Surrogacy means if he is the male and he is the female, then they will call one more female, and the doctor will do some, and there are one agreement that they will take one woman as a type of a rent. They will give the money as she wanted, how much she wanted the money, 50 lakhs, 50 crores, a million crores. They can do this, and there are one of the agreement. This is also a law, and there are many of the lawyers which helps them. Then this is the process through which a male sperm and a female's ova and sperm is added this zygote is added to this other female, and other female will grow that son in its womb, and after the son has come to this world, she will she will give him the milk through his breast, and for this is for at least um, 2 years or 3 years, and she will take care of their child at least when he at least till he is not capable to walk. We will see viviparous and oviparous. Viviparous means the means the animals. Vivi means alive, and viviparous means animals give birth to the young ones, and ova means oviparous means ova means egg, the animals which give eggs, and after from the egg they are the young ones produced. Then we will metamorphosis means the changes in the structure of radical changes in the structures of habit and animals during this cycle. Huh. The male produce sperm and ova. This ova and sperm get fertilized into surrounding water. After that, after that, this is plant, and this egg is fertilized egg. After that, the eggs form one embryo. Then from this embryo there is tadpole. Tadpole is formed. Then when a tadpole is formed, this is a life cycle of frog. After tadpole, then this life cycle changes into an the tadpole's break through his leg. Then after that, then this is a frog. This is a plumeri. Start to breathe in. Then tadpole frog is formed. This is tadpole frog. Then after that, adult frog is formed. Means we can frog means we can say that this is a life cycles which means the radical changes in the structure and the habits of a frog. Means first there are fertilized egg. After that there is formed embryo. After that there is tadpole. After that the tadpole breaks through his leg. Then the plumeri starts to breathe in. Then tadpole frog is formed. Then adult frog is formed. Here we can say that there are the changes in the structure, in their body, in their habits. This is known as a metamorphosis, and the changes in the young to the adult ones. Okay, झालं.